Flow rate is stable at 200 liters per minute.
Acknowledged. Maintaining thermal gradient.
Here at the heart of the facility, the precise pouring of the mirror blank begins, a process critical to achieving the perfect optical surface.
I'm seeing a slight deviation here at sector 12.
Confirmed. Let's run the spectral analysis again.
Adjusting the robotic arm trajectory for the next optic.
Copy that. Maintain current velocity.
The filaments reach thousands of degrees, instantly turning the metal into a fine mist that adheres to the primary mirror.
We are initiating the final deposition sequence.
The plasma field is holding steady. Surface reflectivity is nominal. We have full seal release on the chamber door.
Extraction sequence initiated. All systems are green.
Slow descent initiated. Clearance looks good on Sector 3.
Confirmed alignment on the laser guides. Moving into position.
We are approaching the final seating position.
Action.
Alignment is perfect. Lowering the last centimeter.
This is the largest optical lens ever crafted. Its flawless surface is key to unlocking the secrets of exoplanets.
Look, Dad, it's right there.
Okay, steady now. Have a look.
I can see it. It's beautiful.